Komisi Bentaban Penklanya ke Parti Mawkyrwat par Ranikor Blong, kinongilam ka National People's Party, haka jingilam jong u James K. Sangma, ubalong u National Secretary ke Parti, ringkat u Presiden ke Youth Wing uba Nikki Nongkitkam, kila Leit cha South West Khasi Hills, haka sengi sajan, man kynduh ya kinongilam na kiteki Blong. Haka te ke jingya kynduh kiteki nongilam kila keran cibun kimat, kibadan kam ban penklanya ke Parti, na kabenta ke election MLA kabansa wan nalor ke bayo ru ban penskam ya ki nongkitkam bathamai joka Youth Wing West Khasi Hills.
Chairperson of this meeting, Bana Kit, that today I have come here to listen more than to talk, to give a lecture. I have come here to meet our party leaders from Southwest Khasi Hills district, and very importantly to meet our leaders from the two block committees, which is Mawkyrwat and Ranikor block committees. And I'm so happy that today I have this opportunity to listen to each and every one of you. And today I have taken down so many notes. And I'm very thankful to all our leaders who have spoken before me for being so frank, for being so honest. I know that today's meeting, because it's after such a long time, that I was expecting many things to come out, because the leadership in Southwest Khasi Hills has felt neglected for so long. And I expected that there will be many difficult things which our leaders will talk about. But I really appreciate the kind of frankness, everything you have put forward, the challenges, the difficulties, and the kind of hurt and neglect that you have felt because the party has not been able to give time to the organization here in Southwest Khasi Hills district. Therefore, I would like to first apologize on behalf of our leaders if our party leaders, my brothers, my sisters, if you have felt neglected like this from the party. It is definitely something that we have come to realize as a party, that we have not been able to go out, meet our party leaders and listen to them and resolve the kind of problems and find solutions to the kind of challenges that you have been facing all these years after the formation of our government in the state. It is not easy to run a party, and today we are so blessed that our party is the ruling party in Meghalaya. But despite the fact that we are running a government in the state, we face many difficulties in terms of the organization. Because, let me be very honest and very frank with you. Today, we as a party now have to balance between being ministers, running a state government, and also taking care of the party organization. So there has been a lot of communication gap that has taken place. And it is very unfortunate that we have not been able to, in the past, quickly find a solution to address this communication gap. But I'm very happy today that I'm here and I'm being able to listen to all of you, because whatever I have noted down today, whatever has been spoken by our leaders today, that will become a report. That will be something which I will brief to our party president, Shri Conrad K. Sangma. I will inform him that these are the challenges that we are facing in Southwest Khasi Hills district. I will inform him that these challenges, these problems faced by our leaders is so genuine. Our leaders, they have so much of love and affection for the party, and they are struggling. They are sacrificing so much for the party, and we must, as an organization, as a family, as a political party, we must take care of them. We must take care of building up the organization and give that kind of support to our party leaders in Southwest Khasi Hills district. And I assure you, dear friends, my brothers, my sisters, will definitely look into all these matters that you have raised, and we will be communicating whatever I discuss with our president. I will inform each and every one of you as to the kind of solutions that he will be able to offer. As I said, there have been many great suggestions given by, good suggestions given by our party leaders. Our party leaders have made many points about the difficulties being faced here today. And I would like to just maybe not go through all of them, but I will definitely touch on a few of them. Like, for example, that I think one thing which is very common amongst all the leaders who have spoken was the sense of neglect that all of you have been facing all these years. That the party has not been able to give time to its leaders, that the party has not been able to listen and to resolve all the kind of problems. There has been no one to guide the party organization in Mawkyrwat district, and many difficulties have been faced by the leaders in terms of the neglect even when they go to the officers or to the government for any kind of help, which is expected because today NPP is in the ruling party. But because of many reasons, communication gap and all that, our leaders haven't felt that kind of neglect. I would like to inform you today that I have been discussing with our leaders, with Bajit, with Nikki, with the women's wing also, with Dr. Kalluki, and I have realized that there is a very big communication gap going on between certain districts and our state unit. And the reason why I am here today, despite the fact that there is assembly session going on, I have so many questions for which I have to prepare myself and I have to reply in the assembly. It is not easy. I like to do my homework before going on the floor of the house whenever I'm giving replies to this. So there is so much of files to read right now. But despite that, why is it that I have come here today? It's because today I really want to give that support to our organization. That communication gap that is there, I want to play my part in whatever small way it may be. I want to find a solution and make sure that I can, in whatever way I can, bridge that gap between our districts, our blocks, and our state unit. That's why I'm here, and I give you my assurance that now we will, because of the problem, I never believe that any problem has no solution. I always believe that we must only know what the problem is. And once we know the problem, there is a solution to everything. And I assure you today that we will, as a party, as a family, sit together and we will find solutions. There have been many good suggestions given and ideas. I was asking Bana Kit that how many political appointees have been given from this district, and he said that only Baroville is the only political appointee from this district. I will take this matter up with our Honorable CM as Chief Minister to say that whatever political appointees are given also should find in some way representation of districts. So if Southwest Khasi Hills has only one from our party, I think it is very important that we must have more political appointees so that our party can be represented in the state in a stronger way. So I give you my assurance that I will very strongly take this matter up with our Honorable Chief Minister, who also is our National President, so that we can have more political appointees from this district. And I hope, and I want to in a way also request you that that sense of neglect that you feel when you go to government offices and some officers don't listen to you. You feel that, just because, we don't have a local MLA, we don't have a local MDC, government officers they don't care about NPP. I hope that our political appointee, whoever it will be, we will leave it to our Honorable Chief Minister who he chooses. But whoever he will be or she will be, I would like to request that that person must take care of all our party workers. He must become then the person to link our grassroots people, our grassroots organization, and our leaders with the government officers, because he will have that kind of uh, protocol that he can go to any office, show his business card saying I am vice chairman or I am co-chairman or whatever that post may be, and use that protocol to help our party workers and our party leaders in the district. So this is that little bit that party will do for Southwest Khasi Hills district, and I hope and I pray that our leader, whoever that person may be, will use that opportunity to help our party workers.